What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Carolina Styles, and I am back with another video. I know it's been a long time since I did a video. I apologize for that. Just got a lot of stuff in the works. I know I always say that, but it's really true. I do be moving in the back end, and I do be moving in silence. But I am going to take YouTube more seriously, y'all. Honestly, because I do have the channel, I have the potential, and you can set your mind to do anything that you want to do, man. And I always feel that you can do things on your own without paying somebody to do them, and this channel was basically built for that. You know, I learned how to do things, and I take y'all with me on the journey to show y'all how to do things at your own crib or neighborhood or whatever y'all want to do at that garage, and y'all turn y'all dreams into reality by doing things to y'all vehicles y'all ain't never thought y'all could do, just by the help of somebody showing y'all how they do their stuff step by step, and showing them that you can also use your creative mind to do what you want to do to your vehicles. Anyway, man, we got a small install for today. Something small, man, something light, you know. We will be putting on a dash cover, replacement dash cover for the 07 to 14 Yukon. Anyway, it's for my truck, but 07 to 14 Yukon, Tahoe, Silverado, Sierras, they all have them crappy, cheap, fucked up dash covers, man, you know. And we're actually gonna put one on today, the replacement. I don't too much like the replacement, but we gonna put it on. It is what it is. It's gonna make it look better because my drink already was cracked when I got it. It wasn't cracked that bad. And the bass is honestly making it worse because it already been cracking. It's still cracking it up more and more and more every day that I play the bass. And I don't turn low. I do be turning that sucker up. You know what I'm saying? It ain't the loudest, but hey, it be beating. But anyway, go ahead and show y'all this dash cover and show y'all how it looks, show y'all how flimsy the material is and all that other stuff like that. But I ain't talking trash about it, but it's gonna do what it do. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that, and we're gonna go outside and we gonna put it on. All right, so this is the dash cover replacement right here. You don't cut anything. I'm gonna show y'all what y'all gotta use. I'm gonna tell y'all step by step, and I'm gonna show y'all step by step. But I'm just wanna show y'all the actual cover and how the material is. As you can tell, look how flimsy the material is. I don't care for that at all. I feel like this is gonna break also, but they say this ain't gonna break because of the type of material it is. So we gonna see, because the base will put it to the test, especially when I put that alt on there and that battery. But yeah, so this is the dash cover right here. Y'all know I've been changing the color in the interior to black and gray, so we gonna keep the gray dash cover on, and we gonna put this on top of it. This part right here will stick out on the actual original dash cover. You'll be able to see that I got a cover over it, but it is what it is, man. We ain't worrying about that. Y'all know me, I'm the guy that love to go to the junkyard, you know. But when I go to the junkyard, I can never find a perfect dash cover. And if y'all know anything about these 07 to 14s, it will not be a perfect one out there. It always have a crack in it. That's just the type of material that Chevy made when they did the 07 to 14 Yukons, Tahoe, Suburban, Sierras, Silverados. They did that. And that's one of the things GM really had messed up with, was the dash covers and that AFM system. They keep doing that, and then that's a whole nother story. Anyway, let me show y'all what y'all gotta use. This is the glue they give y'all. You're gonna put, well, this is the back of the thing. Anyway, you're gonna get this right here, and you're gonna put it all around the edges. You know what I'm saying? And this is also to give you this little tool for you to actually put it on there. So you're gonna put it all on the edges, and then you're gonna stick it on the actual dash cover itself. So y'all know I'm gonna give y'all the real. So this glue ain't worth this shit on there. And I heard some reviews telling me that you'll have to go and get some different glue to put on here to stick. But I got a trick. Me, I'm gonna put some double-sided tape on the end, on these corners, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna stay there. So I'll pick y'all back up tomorrow when I put the glue on here. All right, so it's been about a week since I put that dashboard cover on. 0 out of 10, I would highly not recommend, you feel me? We are not doing that. Don't ever do that. Don't waste your money. It is a terrible design. It doesn't fit right, and I would have took it off, but it's got a lot of glue, and that glue is kind of hard to get off without damaging it even more, because I have about 5 cracks in it, so I can't even replace the dang thing. And the glue is hard on there, and it's hard to get off. And if I scrape it off, it's gonna crack it some more. So I gotta find another dashboard. So if y'all know what one that's in great condition in South Carolina or Georgia, I ain't gonna say I don't fully care, but I kind of don't care how much it is. Drop it down in the comment section. I don't want no cracks in it. If you're gonna charge me top dollar for it, I'll come and get it. But it can't have no cracks in it, you feel me? So just know, I'm telling y'all now, save y'all money. Don't get the replacement. And it's your boy, Carolina Styles. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification button up. Come rock with the Styles Gang. Y'all know my slogan. Y'all know how I get down. Y'all know the slogans, man. 2023 is my year. 2024, we doing some more. In 2025, we on the rise, baby. I will be start dropping a lot of more videos. The videos will be simple videos so I can get some content out, but I will be dropping something every week. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And y'all already know what time it is, man. I'm signing out.